Hi, this is Heather, and this is another episode of Show Me the Results. Today we're looking at two balls on a billiards table with a plunger force attached to one of them, and we're going to use that to hit this first ball into the second ball. And what do you expect the results to be? The balls have the same size and the same mass. What do you expect to have happen? Is that what you expected? Okay, what just happened? What about if we change their elasticity? What do you think will happen if it allows for an elastic collision? Oh. Okay, finally, show me the results if the masses are different. So let's change the mass of the second ball to be 10 times bigger. Ready? Wow, that's strange. We had a bounce, but they both moved. Interesting results today. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and go to beyondlabs.com to download the entire suite of virtual labs.